What's going on, everyone? We got another hard reset for you. Today we're going to do the Motorola Razr 50 2024. If you have one of these and you have a pattern or a password that you forgot what it is and you have to do a hard reset, I'll show you how to do that. Just a reminder, when you do a hard reset on the phone, you will delete all the data off the phone. So if you have anything important on here, it's going to get deleted. So just keep that in mind. Also, we have a ton more hard resets and teardowns coming up. So if you guys want to see something special, drop a comment, subscribe. We'd appreciate that. Otherwise, let's dive right into this. So we got, a pattern. We don't know what it is. So first thing we want to do is turn the phone off. And so we have your volume up, volume down, and power right here. So we'll hold hit power and volume up at the same time, and then it will bring up the power off menu. But the phone won't let us turn it off because it thinks that it wants us to put in the pattern, which we don't know. So what we want to do is we want to hold volume up, volume down, and power to get the phone to restart. And the reset pattern for this model is volume down and power at the same time. So basically, once the phone turns off and reboots, you want to let go of volume up and keep holding volume down and power to get into that reset mode. Also, when you're holding all the buttons, you want to just tap the screen to make sure it just doesn't time out on its own and the phone's actually off, so you know when to let go of volume up. So I'll hold volume up, I'll hold the power or volume down, then I'll hold power all at the same time. And it's gonna just get a little wonky there for a minute because it doesn't know what you're trying to do, take a screenshot, turn off or whatnot. So we're just gonna keep holding all the buttons. All right, it's off. So then we'll let go, and then we're in our reset. So that's how you do it. If you have if the phone won't let you turn off, sometimes it will. Most of the time it won't. And from here we want to use our volume buttons to scroll and the power button to select. So we'll scroll to recovery mode, which is right there. We'll hit the power button to confirm. I'm not sure how I feel about these flip phones. Some of them are really nice. I know some of the creases get bad, but I don't use the flip, but they do look kind of cool, I'm not gonna lie. So when we get to the no command screen, to get out of this and to get to the actual reset, we wanna hit power and volume up. So I usually just hold power and then tap volume up. That brings up our reset menu, and then we wanna use the volume buttons to scroll, and we wanna scroll down to wipe data factory reset. There it is. So we'll hit the power button to confirm, then we'll confirm again. And now it's deleting, and now it's done. So now we can either reboot or power off. We'll just reboot in this case. Hear that wonderful Motorola jingle. But now this phone is reset. So that is how you do a hard reset on a Motorola Razr 50 2024. So if you guys have any questions or if there's anything special you guys want to see, just drop a comment or subscribe, let us know, and we'll try to get that up for you sooner than later. Otherwise, thanks for watching, and we'll catch you on the next one.